For this first style, I'm going to take my headband and place it into my hair about an inch back and keep those face framing pieces out. And then take the face framing pieces and a little bit from behind the headband, so on either side, and meet those together in the back of my head and then secure them together with a small clear elastic. Then once you have the ponytail, you're going to twist it in towards your head and under, and then it creates kind of a twist where you want to just hold the elastic and pull at the twist to make it look thicker. And then you could leave it like that. It looks really cute with just one, but I'm going to do two. So right underneath it, I'm going to take two small pieces from either side of my head, join them together in the middle with a small clear elastic, and then twist in and under and create that twist, and then just pull it apart to make it look thicker again. And then just take out any face framing pieces that you want and pull at the crown of your head to create a little bit more volume up there. And that is it. That's this style. For this second style, I'm going to start with a deep side part, and then on the side where I have less hair, I'm going to pull the hair tight against my head, leaving out that piece near my ear, and start putting in my bigger hair clips on that side so that the hair lays flat. I do like to do them kind of quirky and not totally straight, and like that one you saw I put towards my face. I think that looks really cute. And then I'm filling in the spots where there aren't any with smaller clips, and that's the style. I think it's so cute to just add a little bit of sparkle to your holiday hair. So for this last hairstyle, you're going to take a small piece from right next to your part and right in the front of your face and separate it into two sections, and then twist those sections towards your face and cross the front piece over the back piece. And then you're going to twist towards your face again and then cross that new front piece over the back piece. And then this time when you start to do it, you're going to take that front piece and add hair under the braid and then twist towards your face and then cross that front piece over the back piece. And then you're going to take the front piece and add more hair to it from under the braid and then twist towards your face and cross over the back piece. Basically, it's just this process. It's kind of hard to describe, so that's why I put it in slow-mo, because I feel like it's easier to watch the process. You're going to want to continue adding hair until you get to the middle back of your head. That's where our ponytail will be, and then you're going to loosely hold the end of the braid and pull at each twist outwards and upwards to create a little bit more thickness, although I think that this braid looks really pretty just on its own. You don't really need to pull that hard for this one. Then I'm going to secure the end with a clear elastic and pull all of my hair to the back of my head wherever I want my ponytail to be, and then smooth out the rest of the hair, pull out any face framing pieces and pieces from around my ears, and then use a bungee cord elastic and secure all of my hair into a ponytail. Then I tug at the crown of my head to give that more volume, and I'm going to take a small piece from my ponytail and wrap it around the elastic to hide it and secure that in place with a bobby pin. And then I'm just going to do a little back combing with my fingers on the ponytail to give it more volume. I realized that my braid went down just a little bit into the ponytail, so I ended up taking out that small clear elastic and just leaving it just as a ponytail with no braid in it. And then I'm going to take two clips. I like that they're both a little bit different sizing, and just place them right there at the base of my braid, and that is the style.